Welcome back to our how-to series here at Audi Eatontown. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to set your radio presets. So the first step on setting your radio presets is you're going to want to come to this tile right here, which is radio, or you can always come to this shortcut of buttons that are always going to show up on your screen, but we're going to use the tile for today. And then it's a very simple process. From here, you'll just select whatever radio station you want to listen to and have set as one of your presets. And you'll just see this star icon here in the top right. You'll click that. It'll be highlighted, letting you know that the item has now been saved as a favorite. And then to find where all of your favorite radio presets are, you'll just come up here to the source and then hit the favorites icon. And they'll all show up here in a list. So this is what your favorite radio presets list looks like when you have multiple different stations. And what's really nice too is that you don't just have to stick to either FM, AM, or Sirius XM radio. You can have some Sirius XM stations mixed in with some FM stations and even some AM stations as well. If you ever need to edit this list, if you ever want to unfavorite a station, or if you want to maybe even reorganize the list a little bit, you'll just come up to this pencil icon up here, and you can just drag the station up and down to change the order, and then you can also individually select which station you want to delete, or you can select all and delete all of them entirely. Thanks for watching today's episode on how to set up your radio presets. On the next episode, I'm going to be showing you all how to use your adaptive cruise control.